Hi guys, this is Yogesh Agarwal. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook app and add in our system. You have to do this only once. So after logging in, please go to first time setup and here you need to click on this link. It will take you to this page. Okay, first you have to log in into the Facebook, and if you have logged in, you will see this menu. If not, you will be prompted to log in. So right now I have logged in, so I just go to my apps and I'll just click on add new app. I'll just give some meaningful name, just like Leads Profiter Login. I'll just click on create app ID and just need to bypass the security check. Click on submit. So right now you have created an app. Now you need to configure it. The first step is to set up Facebook login. Just click on setup and once you have clicked on setup, you will see this screen. You don't have to do anything here. Just click on settings. You just have to update two values. Okay, so the first value is valid OAuth redirect URI. You will get it here. This is our callback URL. You just need to copy this and paste it here. Click on save changes and now go to app settings, basic settings. Here you need to give privacy policy URL. We have provided that as well. You just need to copy this and then paste it here and then click on save changes. Your Facebook app is now fully configured. You need to turn it to live. You can just select any of these categories. I'll just select business and pages. Click on confirm. So now the app is fully configured and it is live. So now all you have to do is to copy this app ID, paste it here and then copy the secret key. This will ask you to log in again. I'll just log in. Okay, and this is my secret key. I just need to copy here and paste it here. Click on save. That's it. This is how you need to set up your Facebook app with our system, and you have to do this only once. Thanks, guys.